So you're thinking of moving to North Atlanta, Georgia, maybe Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Roswell, Sugar Hill, Buford, Cumming, or the surrounding areas? Well, in this video, we're gonna take you around Johns Creek. Now, today we're gonna concentrate on homes starting at $480,000 up to $625,000. We're gonna show you 4 different properties that are today on the market in Johns Creek. A very, very good school district, like 10 out of 10 or 8 out of 10. Amazing, amazing school districts in Johns Creek. Now, to tell you a little bit about Johns Creek is a beautiful city here in North Georgia, and according to niche.com, Johns Creek is #1 best city to live in Georgia and #1 best city to raise a family in Georgia. #2 best suburb to live in Georgia. Beautiful, beautiful city here in Georgia. The population of Johns Creek is approximately at 82,000 people. So it's a very, very big city compared to Alpharetta, which only has 66,000 people living in it. And Alpharetta is right next to Johns Creek. So medium household in Johns Creek right now is at $134,000. So very, very big. The national average is at $69,000. So you will find amazing properties in Johns Creek, beautiful subdivisions. You know, some of these gorgeous subdivisions are 500 plus homes. They usually have a swim and tennis, or they have also a basketball court, playground for the kids. So a lot to do. For those amenities, of course, you will have to pay an annual fee, usually $500 to $800 annually. Now we will take you through some neighborhoods and show you some different price points of different homes so you can see what may fit with your budget. If you stick around until the end, I will share with you the best kept secrets of these neighborhoods that you definitely don't want to miss. And we are getting after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to understand everything about living in North Atlanta, Georgia, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in North Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Livia Bika with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Suwanee, Alpharetta, Johns Creek, Cumming, Buford, or the surrounding areas. And we absolutely love it. Whether you are moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All the information is in the description below so we can help you for a smooth move to North Atlanta and the beautiful suburbs. So as I mentioned, today we're gonna concentrate on Johns Creek. We're gonna see 4 properties starting at $480,000 up to $625,000 in very, very good school districts in the heart of Johns Creek. So let's go after it right now. So today we are at our first stop in Johns Creek. This home right here, very nice curb appeal. This home was listed at $525,000 and after 23 days on the market, they lowered the price at $480,000. Now it needs some repairs. It's not upgraded inside. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bed, approximately 1,900 square feet, and there is no basement. This home was built in 1990, so price per square feet will be $253 per square feet. Taxes, $3,100 annually, and there is an HOA of $620 annually for the swim and tennis. Now this home is in a beautiful subdivision, very quiet. We are very close to a cul-de-sac, and it's actually 10 minutes from Avalon in Alpharetta, which is an amazing, small city in a big city. Gorgeous, gorgeous shopping and entertainment there. So this home right here belongs to Abbott's Hill Elementary, which is 7 out of 10, Taylor Road Middle, which is 8 out of 10, and Chattahoochee High, which is 10 out of 10. Amazing school districts. So if you are looking for something like that, give us a call and we will be more than happy to show you this property inside as well. Now let's go to our second stop. So we are at our second stop in Johns Creek. This property right here was listed at $542,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, approximately 2,200 square feet, built in 1996 with no basement. Price per square feet will be $251 per square feet, and taxes are a little bit over $5,300 annually, and there is an HOA of $750 annually for the swim and tennis. We're gonna go there in a second and check them out. Now this home right here belongs to State Bridge Crossing, which is 7 out of 10, Autry Mill Middle, which is 9 out of 10, and Johns Creek High School, which is 9 out of 10. Amazing school district, and this property has a very nice curb appeal. Now let's go and check out the amenities. Okay, now here is the playground. Tennis courts, 2 tennis courts. This is a very nice, quiet subdivision in Johns Creek. So this property was at $542,000, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Now let's see the pool. Here is the pool. And they have bathrooms here probably and showers. And a small basketball court on the other side. So we are at our third stop in Johns Creek. This home right here is listed at $580,000, 20 days on the market. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, approximately 2,100 square feet, built in 1995. Taxes are $3,500, and there is an HOA of $522 annually. We are actually in an amazing school district. We are in Wilson Creek Elementary, which is 9 out of 10, River Trail Middle, 8 out of 10, and Northview High School, which is 9 out of 10. Amazing, very quiet subdivision, beautiful, beautiful homes. So now let's go to our next stop. So we are at our fourth stop. This gorgeous home right here, it's listed at $625,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, approximately 2,300 square feet, built in 1988. Very cute inside, actually upgraded. So price per square foot will be $267 per square feet. Taxes are only $2,400 annually, and there is an HOA of $1,155 annually for the swim and tennis. We are in Abbott's Hill Elementary, which is 7 out of 10, Taylor Road, 8 out of 10, and Chattahoochee High, which is 10 out of 10. Amazing, amazing homes right here, you know, between 500 and 600. So if you are looking for something like that, make sure you contact us so we can show you all the available properties in Johns Creek and Alpharetta. So let's go and check out the amenities in this gorgeous subdivision. Okay, here is the clubhouse. Beautiful clubhouse. A nice terrace. Okay, so they have a kiddie pool there and a big pool, playground, and the tennis courts. Beautiful subdivisions right here in the heart of Johns Creek. So as you see, from 500 to 600, you can find some beautiful properties, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, basement or no basement. So if you are somebody that is looking for a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath in Johns Creek and your budget is between 500 and 600, please make sure to give us a call. We are here to guide you to the entire process. And you know, just call us or send us an email and we will be more than happy to assist you and guide you to the entire process. This is Livia Bica with Keller Williams North Atlanta. Until next time, I hope to see you around town.